Hi everyone. Today we'll talk about Xiaomi phone feature which so many people are not using or they just don't know about it. If your phone has infrared, you can use it as a remote for almost all your appliances, including TV, fan, set-top box, AC, etc. Now, why this is important? You don't have to look for the remote always. When you have your phone with you, boom, you can pretty much control everything. This is going to be simple. Let me take you to the process. The first thing, what you have to do, you have to click on the MI remote feature, which will be available on your phone. It could be present in some Samsung models as well. Now, what you have to do after then, there are options available. First of all, you won't find those things on your the things which are right now on your screen, because I have already added them to my screen. Now what you have to do, you have to click on this plus sign at the top left corner. It will show you the categories which can be controlled by your phone, provided they are infra enabled as well. So you can see the categories are there. There is a TV, set-top box, fan, AC, smart box, DVD projector, camera. So you can control all these things with your phone. Let's do it for the TV, for example. I have to click on the TV and it will just then I have to select the TV and you will have the interface like this, and those all would be listed in the alphabetical order. Now simply what you have to do, you have to select your particular brand, and after then you have to go through the process. Like I will select LG here. Now what I have to do now, it's showing me that it's TV on or off, so I have to select on because your TV should be on at that time. Now it will prompt me to do some action, so that to check whether your TV is responding or not. So here I have to press the mute button, test button. It's showing I have to do it at least 7 times if it's not working. So if it works, then you have to select the option available below. Does the mute button works? If the mute button works, you have to click yes, and after then your remote setup will be added to your phone, and it will add a shortcut to the mobile, and it would be paired. Then after then you can use it. Now similarly you can do it for other appliances as well. Like you have AC, you have set-top box, you can do it for all. Now there's one more option available here. If you have already set up this remote for your appliances, you can simply share it with your friends by clicking on that scanner, and you can share that remote with friends using QR code. So you can. Okay, now the other thing which is very interesting in this MI remote is you can keep all the remotes at one place. You just have to click my room, and after then if you have added, for example, 3 or 4 remotes to different appliances, now you can add them, you can have them at one place, and you can control them at that one place. You don't have to keep 3 or 4 remotes with you like what we are doing manually. So this is a very important feature in this MI remote setup, where you have to click MI room, and after then you have to select remotes which you have added for the respective appliances. Then you have to select them all, and after then you have to press done. So now you can see all the remotes will be on the one display, and you control them from this place right here. So you don't have to switch between the remotes. You can do it from a single screen. So personally I like this setup very much. So don't leave without subscribing the channel. This is gonna help you a lot. So subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification of the latest stuff. Besides that, thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video.